Indoor hanging plants with trailing foliage create a refreshing vertical garden effect, adding movement and texture to interiors. Their graceful drapes soften corners, brighten dull areas, and bring a calming, nature-inspired feel. Perfect for small spaces, they combine style with wellness by purifying the air and uplifting the indoor environment. Let's take a quick look at the top dangling foliage indoor plants. Philodendron Brazil, Philodendron hedraceum, is a stunning, low-maintenance indoor plant known for its heart-shaped leaves adorned with vibrant green and golden yellow variegation. Its eye-catching, dangling vines make it perfect for hanging baskets or high shelves. This tropical beauty thrives in bright, indirect light but can tolerate lower light conditions, making it ideal for various indoor spaces. It prefers moderately moist soil and appreciates occasional misting to maintain humidity. Philodendron Brazil is also known for its air-purifying qualities, improving indoor air quality while adding a lively splash of color. With minimal care, it can grow vigorously and beautify any interior. Sateen pothos, Scindapsus pictus, is a popular indoor plant admired for its velvety, heart-shaped leaves with striking silver variegation. Its elegant, dangling vines make it ideal for hanging planters or shelves, adding a soft, cascading touch to any space. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light but also adapts well to low-light conditions. It prefers well-draining soil and moderate watering, allowing the topsoil to dry out between waterings. Easy to care for and slow-growing, Sateen pothos is a perfect choice for beginners. Additionally, it helps purify indoor air, making it both a beautiful and functional addition to your home. String of pearls, Senecio roleinus, is a unique and eye-catching succulent known for its trailing stems adorned with small, round, bead-like leaves that resemble green pearls. Perfect for hanging baskets or decorative containers, its cascading form adds a whimsical charm to indoor spaces. This plant thrives in bright, indirect sunlight and requires well-draining soil with minimal watering, making it ideal for low-maintenance plant lovers. Overwatering should be avoided to prevent root rot. String of pearls can also produce tiny, white, cinnamon-scented flowers under the right conditions. Its distinct appearance makes it a striking conversation piece in any indoor plant collection. Rake's begonia vine, Cissus discolor, is a striking indoor plant prized for its dramatic, velvety foliage. The leaves are deep green with silvery patterns and rich purple undersides, creating a bold visual contrast. Though called a vine, it's not a true begonia but shares similar ornamental beauty. Its dangling, climbing habit makes it perfect for hanging baskets or trellises indoors. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and enjoys consistently moist, well-draining soil. It appreciates high humidity and warm temperatures. With proper care, Rake's begonia vine becomes a lush, vibrant centerpiece, adding elegance and texture to any indoor garden display. String of hearts, Ceropegia woodii, is a delicate, trailing plant adored for its small, heart-shaped leaves with silver marbling and purple undersides. Its slender, cascading vines can grow several feet long, making it ideal for hanging pots or shelves. This semi-succulent thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers well-draining soil. Water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. String of hearts is low maintenance and drought tolerant, making it perfect for beginners. It may also produce small, tubular pink or purple flowers. Its charming appearance and easy care make it a favorite choice for adding elegance to indoor plant collections. Wandering Jew, Tradescantia zebrina, is a vibrant and fast-growing trailing plant known for its striking purple, green, and silver-striped leaves. Its dangling stems make it perfect for hanging baskets, window sills, or shelves, where it can spill gracefully over the edges. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers well-draining soil with moderate watering. It's easy to propagate and responds well to regular pruning, which encourages fuller growth. Tradescantia zebrina adds a bold splash of color to any indoor space and is ideal for both beginners and experienced plant enthusiasts looking to add texture and vibrancy to their home. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum, is a classic and easy care indoor plant loved for its arching green leaves with white or yellow stripes. Its distinctive, dangling baby plantlets or spiderets grow on long stems, making it ideal for hanging baskets. This hardy plant thrives in bright, indirect light but can also tolerate low light conditions. It prefers well-draining soil and moderate watering, allowing the top layer to dry between waterings. Known for its air-purifying abilities, the spider plant improves indoor air quality while adding a lively, graceful touch to your space. It's a resilient, low-maintenance choice for homes and offices alike. Golden pothos, Epipremnum aureum, is a popular indoor plant admired for its heart-shaped leaves streaked with vibrant golden yellow variegation. Its trailing, dangling vines make it perfect for hanging baskets, shelves, or as a climbing plant with support. Extremely low maintenance, it thrives in a wide range of lighting conditions, from low to bright, indirect light. Golden pothos prefers well-draining soil and should be watered when the top inch of soil feels dry. It's known for its air-purifying qualities and resilience, making it ideal for beginners. With minimal care, it grows quickly, bringing lush greenery and a tropical touch to any indoor space. English ivy, Hedera helix, is a classic, elegant indoor plant known for its glossy, lobed leaves and graceful, dangling vines. Ideal for hanging baskets or cascading from shelves, it adds a timeless charm to interiors. This hardy vine thrives in bright, indirect light but can tolerate some shade. It prefers moist, well-draining soil and benefits from occasional misting to maintain humidity. English ivy is also valued for its air-purifying properties, helping to cleanse indoor environments. With regular trimming and proper care, it can grow vigorously, making it a versatile and attractive choice for both modern and traditional home decor. Stringbean Hoya, Hoya linearis, is a unique and elegant trailing plant known for its slender, soft, fuzzy green leaves that resemble string beans. Its long, cascading stems make it perfect for hanging baskets, where it adds a delicate, graceful touch to indoor spaces. This epiphytic plant thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers well-draining soil with infrequent watering, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. In ideal conditions, it produces clusters of fragrant, star-shaped white flowers. Stringbean Hoya is low maintenance, making it a great choice for both beginners and collectors seeking a distinctive, textured addition to their indoor plant collection. Pileia gracie, Pileia glauca, is a charming trailing plant admired for its tiny, silvery blue leaves that create a soft, cascading effect. Its delicate foliage grows densely along slender, reddish stems, making it ideal for hanging planters or as a tabletop accent. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers consistently moist, well-draining soil, though it's important to avoid overwatering. With proper humidity and warmth, Pileia gracie grows quickly and forms a lush, flowing mat of foliage. Easy to care for and visually appealing, it's a great choice for adding subtle color and fine texture to any indoor plant collection.